day tomorrow. Tomorrow's like technically our last full day, but I'm gonna get in the shower. I want to tell y'all, like, show y'all like this lighting is amazing. But yeah, did I literally just take off my shirt just so I can show up? I just realized I saw a string out. It was laid on the ground. It looked like a shoestring, and I'm like, where the fuck did this come from? And I realized that is not necessary, so I just threw it on the bed. And now I just put my robe on, you know, and just tell me why. I just realized what that black string was. I already did my skincare. I'm just doing my face at this point. But literally, let me have it right for it. Let me have it right for it. Not me having a break for it. Okay. I was kicked up, bro. You see? I look like a bridesmaid. Bridesmaid. Oh my gosh. I just realized I'm really that short, bro. Okay, I'm back. Basically, a lot of people see me as positive poly, and that's not a bad thing, but it can be, and I must explain. It's annoying as hell. It really is, and it gives the vibes of you're a pushover, or you're weak, or you're stupid because you're nice. That's the vibes it gives when people call you positive poly. At least that's how I feel about it, mate. And I don't like it. Anywho, it's just the way I was born and raised to be respectful and nice and treat people well, to treat them the way I want to be treated. So I come to New York. First of all, I'm a Philly girl, born and raised. Then I'm the movie. Then now this music trip. I seen it change me. No, it didn't. But just saying, I started off here, excuse me, oh sorry, to the point I was literally dodging in the crowds. I was like no, in the crowds. So if you're just walking to places or just sightseeing, you're going to walk. And if you want to go faster, go in front of somebody. And this made me so pissed off today because it was two girls. It was walking. She was like, I'm trying to get around, what you call it. So I heard her, and I didn't have an attitude or anything. I just turned around I realized she'd behind me, but I can't do much. So I remember I moved over a little, like started walking. I didn't do much because we're on the sidewalk. Where do you want me to go? Do you want me to vanish? No, I can't do that. Anywho, she mumbled something and tried to go on over and scoffed and like went past me like, go on. Why didn't you do that in the first place? Why didn't you do that in the first place? All that energy you wasted, all that breath you wasted when you could have just did that in the first place. And one thing I just like about it is that it's like one big stirring pot of like just life, all types, all backgrounds, all everything that you can think of possibly. It's crazy. You see things that you don't think you would see. And it shocks you. But you can't help but love New York a little bit more because of it. It has personality, it has flavor. Who wants a boring city? Who wants a boring city? I'm gonna end it here because I'm getting dizzy and I need to go to sleep. It's been about a day or 2 days. Okay.